हेलो एवरीवन, फिर से आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ गेम्स और स्पोर्ट्स से 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज, जो कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसके क्वेश्चन काफ़ी एग्जाम्स में आ भी चुके हैं, तो इनकी भी आप तैयारी करते रहें। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस करें, ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाले वीडियोज़ भी आपको मिलते रहें, क्योंकि यहाँ पर केवल एग्जाम्स की तैयारी होती है। तो बिना कोई देरी किए हम लोग वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलते हैं स्क्रीन पर। Question number 1. Which Indian cricketer is selected for a C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award for BCCI? Kapil Dev, K. Srikanth, Sunil Gavaskar, Dilip Venkateshwar. Answer B is correct. K. Srikanth. Next question is, which country won the inaugural ATP Cup 2020 tournament held at Sydney? Spain, Serbia, Switzerland, France. Answer B is correct. Serbia. Which Indian state UT has won the Khelo Indian Youth Games Champions Trophy 2020? Haryana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. Answer B is correct. Maharashtra. Shivangi Sharma, a top swimmer who clinched 5 gold medals in the Khelo India Youth Games, belongs to which state? Assam, Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan. Answer A is correct. Assam. Hosamuddin, who was seen in news recently, is a famous Indian player of which sports? Cricket, archery, wrestling, boxing. Answer D is correct. Boxing. Which Indian javelin thrower has recently qualified for Tokyo Olympic after the ANEC meet at South Africa? Tejinder Pal Singh Bagga, Neeraj Chopra, Amit Pangal, Manjeet Singh. Answer B is correct. Neeraj Chopra. Bala Devi, who has seen in news recently, is associated with which sports? Cricket, football, boxing, wrestling. Answer B is correct. Football. Which Indian women's tennis player won both the women's single and double title in ITF Thailand Championship? Sania Mirza, Ankita Raina, Nirupama Sanjeev, Sunita Rao. Answer B is correct. Ankita Raina. Rakhi holder, who was seen in news recently, is associated with which sports? Hockey, cricket, weightlifting, wrestling. Answer C is correct. Weightlifting. Josna Chinappa and Saurabh Ghosal are associated with which sports? Badminton, squash, tennis, table tennis. Answer B is correct. Squash. Which country's cricket team won the Women's T20 World Cup 2020? India, England, Australia, South Africa. Answer C is correct. Team Australia. The World Athletic Council imposed a USD 10 million on the Athletics Federation of which country for doping scandals? China, Russia, USA, Australia. Answer B is correct. Russia. Which country recently announced that it would host the Asian Boxing Championship for men's and women's in November-December 2020? China, India, Thailand, Sri Lanka. Answer B is correct. India. As per the Forbes magazine, who is the highest paid female athlete of the world as of May 2020? Serena Williams, Naomi Osaka, PV Sandhu, Simone Biles. Answer B is correct. Naomi Osaka. Where is the 4th edition of the Asian Youth Para Games scheduled to be held? United Arab Emirates, Bahrain, Thailand, India. Answer B is correct. Bahrain. Who has been reappointed as the ethics officer and ombudsman of Board of Control for Cricket in India, means BCCI? DK Jain, Saurabh Ganguly, Jay Shah, WB Raman. Answer A is correct. DK Jain. Which racing driver won the Formula 1 Australian Grand Prix event? Walter Bottas, Lewis Hamilton, Sebastian Vettel, Charles Leclerc. Answer A is correct. Valtteri Bottas. Asia Cup is a popular tournament of which sports? Football, cricket, hockey, badminton. Answer B is correct. Cricket. Which racing driver won the Formula 1 Hungarian Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton, Sebastian Vettel, Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc. Answer A is correct. Lewis Hamilton. Which England cricketer has been made the member of House of Lords of the British Parliament? Ian Botham, Viv Richards, Bobbles, David Bower. Answer A is correct. Ian Botham. Manitombi Singh, who has recently passed away, was associated with which sports? Cricket, football, basketball, athletics. Answer B is correct. Football. Which Indian cricketer has been recommended for this year's Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Suresh Raina, Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Jasprit Bumrah. Answer B is correct, Rohit Sharma. Which football club has won the UEFA Champions League 2020? AC Milan, Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, Barcelona. Answer C is correct, Bayern Munich. Which racing driver won the EIFL Grand Prix tournament? That's called FL Grand Prix tournament. Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Valtteri Bottas, Daniel Ricciardo. Answer A is correct, Lewis Hamilton. Which Indian bowler became the second highest wicket taker in Test played in India? Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Jasprit Bumrah, Ravichandran Ashwin, Munah Patel. Answer C is correct, Ravichandran Ashwin. Bayern Munich, which won the final of FIFA Club World Cup in Qatar, is the football club of which country? United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy. Answer C is correct, Germany. Who is the only women wrestler to have qualified for the Tokyo Olympic as a March 2021? Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik, Babita Kumari, Geeta Fogart. Answer A is correct, Vinesh Fogart. Divyan Singh Panwar and Ilavanil Balarivan, who were in news recently, are associated with which sports? Tennis, shooting, athletics, table tennis. Answer B is correct, shooting. 22-year-old Lee Jia, who clinched the All Indian Open Badminton Championship, is from which country? Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Thailand. Answer C is correct, Malaysia. India's National Sports Award includes how many sports awards presented by the President of India? 4, 6, 8, 10. Answer B is correct, 6. Which country won the 2020 UEFA European Football Championship? Italy, England, Brazil, Argentina. Answer A is correct, Italy. Tanu and Priya, who won World Championship recently, are associated with which sports? Weightlifting, archery, track and field event. Answer B is correct, wrestling. Which country holds the world record in the mixed 4 into 100 meter medal relay? India, Bahrain, India, Britain, USA, China. Answer B is correct, Britain. Who composed the theme song of India for Tokyo Paralympics 2020? Yogeshwar Dutt, Deepa Malik, Sanjeev Singh, Varun Singh Bhati. Answer C is correct, Sanjeev Singh. Which country won the women's hockey gold in Tokyo Olympics 2021? Argentina, Netherlands, Belgium, Great Britain. Answer B is correct, Netherlands. In which place did the Indian mixed 4 into 400 meter relay team in the finals of the World Athletics U20 Championship? First, fourth, third, fourth. Answer C is correct, third. Who has won the US Open men's singles tennis tournament? Novak Djokovic, Dominic Thiem, Rafael Nadal, Daniel Medvedev. Answer D is correct, Daniel Medvedev. Abhishek Verma, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which sports? Tennis, badminton, archery, cricket. Answer C is correct, archery. Which country won the SAF football championship held in male? Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. Answer B is correct, India. As of October 2021, who is highest wicket taker in T20 international cricket? R. Ashwin, Jasprit Bumrah, Shakib Al Hasan, Team Saudi. Answer C is correct, Shakib Al Hasan. Which racing driver won the Sao Paulo Brazilian Grand Prix tournament? Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Charles Leclerc, Valtteri Bottas. Answer A is correct, Lewis Hamilton. Which sports body released new advice of transgender athlete rules? ICC, FIFA, IOC, NBA. Answer C is correct, IOC. Who is the only Indian cricketer to feature in the ICC T20 Team of the Year for 2021? Virat Kohli, Smriti Mandhana, Rohit Sharma, Saif Ali Verma. Answer B is correct, Smriti Mandhana. Who is the first male player to win the World Games Athlete of the Year award? Virat Kohli, Pankaj Advani, PR Sirjes, Arif Khan. Answer C is correct, PR Sirjes. रमेश बाबू प्रगनंदा इज एसोसिएट विद विच गेम? चेस, हॉकी, सॉकर, क्रिकेट? आंसर ए इज करेक्ट, चेस। Which city is the host of the Senior National Chess Championship 2022? Mumbai, Kanpur, Chennai, Panji? Answer B is correct, Kanpur. Which is the venue of FIDE International Championship World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2022? New Delhi, Dubai, Colombo, Melbourne? Answer B is correct, Dubai. D. Biswa, who passed away recently, was an as player of which game? Tennis, squash, table tennis, fencing? Answer C is correct, table tennis. Which is the venue of the Khelo India University Games 2021 being held in April May 2022? Varanasi, Dehradun, Bengaluru, Pune? Answer C is correct, Bengaluru. How many medals did India win in the Asian Wrestling Championship 2020? 10, 12, 15, 17? Answer D is correct, 17. तो इस प्रकार ये आपके 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज होती है पूरी, जो कि रिसेंटली न्यूज को लेकर बनाई गई थी। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये क्वेश्चन आपको आगे एग्जाम में काफी ज्यादा सफलता देंगे, तो इनकी भी तैयारी करते रहें। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर करें। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।